Manish, today I'm going to show you how to solve corner parity of even layer puzzle. So it is there in 4x4, 6x6 and 8x8. So I'll show you two different methods whereby you can solve this parity. So first I'll start with 4x4. So the first method is we need to move this middle layer 2 times and move this top layer 2 times. Second time we need to move this middle layer again 2 times, and this first and second layer top layer 2 times, and again the same. So 3 times we need to move this, 1 time we need to move this 2 times, and 2 times we need to move this twice. So I'll just show you. So it is 2R, middle R, 2U, again 2 middle R. Now we have to take this 2 layer, so 2U, and now again 2R, middle R, and this 2 layer 2U. Okay, so now we have to just orient the edges. So we can start with this. This is already paired, so we'll keep this in front, and this we need to pair. So R U, R prime U, R 2U, R prime. So you can see we have 2 edges which are matching with the center and 2 edges which are not. So we'll keep unsolved edges in front and left and solved edges in right and back, and we'll again do the same algorithm: R U, R prime U, R 2U, and R prime U. So now you can see all edges are paired. So now we need to just fix the corners. So we'll see whether any corners are there in their place or not. So we can see one corner is in place, so we'll keep this in right side in front, and we'll do this algorithm: U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And we'll see we need to do it again. So U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. And now we can see this is into its correct position, this is also into its correct position, and this is also into its correct position. So now we have to just orient them. So you can do RIDI, RD, or RU, R prime, U prime. So I'll do RU, R prime, U prime. So this is placed. Again we'll bring this corner unsolved corner over here: R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime, and this is also solved. Again we'll bring this corner: R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime. So this is also solved. Now last: R U, R prime, U prime, R U, R prime, U prime, and this is solved. So we'll do the same algorithm in bigger cubes also. So this is 6x6. So in 6x6 what we'll have to do is we'll have to take 2 layers. So we have to take middle 2 layers, these 2 layers, and we need to do 2 R's. So 2R, then we need to move this twice, 2U, again 2R. Now we have to take 3 layers. So this is 6x6, so we have to take 3 layer. So 2U. Again we have to do 2r, only middle layers, and 2u. So now again we have to fix the edges. So we'll keep this in front and we need to pair the other edges. So it is r, u, r prime, u, r, 2u, and r prime. So these two edges are paired and these two edges we need to pair. So we'll keep paired edges on right and back side, and we have to pair this. So we'll keep this in front on left. So r, u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime, u. So you can see all edges are paired, and now we can see one corner is placed properly and we need to rotate these three corners. So we'll keep in front right and we'll do this algorithm: u, r, u prime, l, l prime, u, r prime, u prime, and l. So you can see this is placed properly and it is also oriented. This is also placed properly, but we need to orient, and this is also placed properly. So we'll do again r, u, r prime, u prime to orient this. So r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime. So this is placed properly, and now we have to bring this unsolved piece on below this, and r, u, r prime, u prime, r, u, r prime, u prime. And now we can see this is also solved. So any bigger even layer puzzle, you can follow the same thing. In this case we need to take, in this case we had taken 2 layers, in this we have to take 3 layers. So we need to take 3 layers like this, and we have to do this algorithm. So 2r and 2u, again 2r, and now we have to take, we need to take half of because this is 8 by 8, so we have to take 4 layers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this we have taken 3 layers because it is 6 by 6. So now we have to take 4 layers and 2u, 1, 2. Again we'll do 2r, so 1, 2r and 2u. Okay, so now we have to just pair the edges. So we'll keep this in front because it is already paired. So r, u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime. So these two edges are paired and we need to pair these two. So we'll keep paired edges on right and back side, and unpaired edges on front and left, and we'll do this algorithm: r, u, r prime, u, r, 2u, r prime, and u. So now we can see all edges are paired. We have one corner which is placed properly. We'll keep on right side top and we'll rotate these 3 corners. So it is u, r, u prime, l prime, u prime, sorry, u, r prime, u prime, l. So again we need to do the same because this is not placed properly. So u, r, u prime, l prime, u, r prime, u prime, l. So you can see this is solved. So I'll show you another method for the same that will also will use cuboid algorithm to solve that. corner parity. So that is also another method which you can use, so I'll just show you that also. Okay, so now I'll show you another method to solve this corner parity. So the second method is we normally use in cuboid algorithm. So we'll keep both the corners on right hand side and we'll swap this corner. So first we'll keep it on right and we'll do this algorithm 2r u 2r ui 2r ui d 2r ui 2r u 2r di. Okay, so now we can see this is into its correct position and this is also into its correct position, but these two layers they swept. So this is, here it is blue and here it is green, so these two layers have swept. So first we'll solve this, we'll orient this. So r u r prime u prime, okay. So now what we'll do is we have to swap this two, because here it is blue and here it is green, so we need to swap this two. So we'll hold it like this. So it should be blue should be left and green should be on right side, and we have to use URF algorithm. So we have to move this, so 1 and 2 layer, so 2u 2r 2f 2u, again top layer 2u, now 2f 2r and 2u. So now we can see the cube is solved. I'll just show you in 6 by 6. So in 6 by 6 we'll use the same algorithm. First we'll swap this corner, and once we swap this corner, I mean the corner are swapped, this 1 2 3 4 layers will be swapped. So first we'll swap this to 2r u 2r ui 2r ui d 2r ui 2r u 2r di. Okay, so now we can see the corner are into its correct position, we need to orient them, but this edge I mean all this second, third, fourth layers are swept. So first we'll orient the corners. Okay, so now corners are oriented. Now we have to swap this 4 layers, so we need to swap them. So hold it like this, so it should be on left and right, and we have to hold it like this, and now we have to move this layer like this. So this is our u, so 2u 2r 2f 2u 1, and now we have to take only top layer, so 2u again 2f 2r and 2u. So cube is solved. Again I'll show you in 8 by 8. So first we'll swap these two corners. So 2R U, 2R UI, 2R UI D, 2R UI, 2R U, 2R DI. So corners are swept, we need to orient them, and then these two edges are swept, so we will swap the edges. So first we'll orient the corners. So RU, R prime, U prime. So this is oriented. Okay, so now corners are oriented, we need to swap the edges. So this is blue and this is green, so we need to swap them. So hold it like this, and this time our U will be this, so half, it is 8 by 8, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 layer is our U. So 2U, 2R, 2F, 2U. Now we have to take again this only top layer, 2U, 2F, 2R and 2U. So the cube is solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me.